Girls, this is Boogie Roger and welcome to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel right now, because I have good videos that I'm going to be making on this particular YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be talking about how to get paid for spending time on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and Google Plus, WhatsApp, all other social media network. This is a strategy. It isn't that Facebook are going to pay you directly from their account, but this is a strategy that you can use to get paid for spending time on Facebook, on Twitter, on WhatsApp, and on Instagram, or any other social media platform. Okay, so just follow me, subscribe, share the video, and like the video if you haven't done that already. So let's get down to business. What you have to do first is to open your Google Chrome or any web browser that you have. All right, so when you open the web browser, you come to this particular I'll leave the link in description, so just click it. When you click it in description, I'm going to be also earning a little bit. All right, I'll also be earning something bit from it. All right, so this is my dashboard, and so far I've gotten 42 views, and this is what I've made out of the 42 views. And you know, this is my average CPM, which means if today I get up to 1,000 views, I'm going to be making $4.02. all right, yeah. And now they have a daily withdrawal, which means you can withdraw every day. All the pending and approved payments will be paid to you. All right, yeah. But one thing is, with this particular tenor, it's all about It's all about shrinking links. When I say shrinking links, it means when you have an original link and you want to share it to Facebook, to WhatsApp, to YouTube, or to any other platform where people get to click the link and then maybe to go view that which you want them to see. So let's say you are on Facebook, and let's say you want to, maybe there's something trending and you want to share it with your friends. Why don't you make money out of it? Yeah, you know it's profitable, right? You're wasting data. So don't forget that you're wasting data. So the moment you get the link, all right. So let me demonstrate something here, all right. Let me demonstrate something. I have some links. Let me manage links. All links. Yeah. So these are some of the links that so this is the original link, and then this is the link that if I share it with people, I'll earn a commission per every click that I get. And this is also what's the name? One link. This is also another link. This is another link. So you get to you realize that it's very simple. All you have to do is to copy a link, come and paste it here. When you paste the link here, you share the link. All right, you share the link to people on social media. So let's say if Shatawale posts something and you know that thing, people love to see it. Why don't you just copy that link, come post it here, then shrink it. After you shrink it, go share it with your friends, post into Facebook groups, post onto Twitter, post onto Instagram, post onto WhatsApp. Everybody that clicks on it, you get a commission. But I'm not promising you're going to be making as high or as big or as low as someone is making. No. With this, you're going to be making, and our earnings are going to be very, very different. All right, it depends on the CPM. All right, it depends on the CPM. CPM simply means cost per impression. It depends on the cost per impression, and it depends on your location, where you're located, or it depends on where the views are coming from. If you're getting the views from places like USA, your CPM can increase to maybe $10 per 1,000 views. All right, $10 per 1,000 views. Okay, so so I'm sure you understand this. I'm going to drop link in description. If you have any question, just ask, and don't forget, this is Boogie Roger. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter. Ask me your questions, tell me the kind of video to make next time, and I'm doing my best to bring you best videos all the time. So subscribe, like the video, and comment. I love you. Don't forget that. Yeah.